Hiya, welcome to LSB Feasters Radio Channel, where we keep great radio from the past alive. Today we're going to Los Angeles and K-Hits 97. Now, back in 1979, K-Hits, which was playing country at the time, flipped to top 40 CHR in an era when a lot of the AM top 40 stations were dying. It went to FM, and for a while, it rocked until it morphed into an adult contemporary station. But while it was a CHR station, it was a pretty good sounding CHR station. If you never had a chance to hear it, you got to check it out. On this air check of 97 K-Hits, you will hear the legendary programmer Bobby Rich. Sounds really good on this air check. And at the very end of this, you'll hear a few other surprises. So keep your ears open for it. It's 97 K-Hits, KHTZ, Los Angeles.
Just when you thought it was safe to turn off the radio. K hits you right between the ears.
Music was my first love.
Joining us in the delivery room. I know you're out there. I can feel you trembling. God damn, I've waited a long time for this. Bobby Rich at the beginning of the all-new K-Hits 97. I think it's going to work. 97 as we begin to feel. We feel like a winner. A feeling that is very likely to spread. Bobby Rich with the Beach Boys on K-Hits 97.
Round, round.
K-Hits 97, 312, Bobby Rich here. It's really hot today. I think the chickens are surrendering in front of Colonel Sanders today.
Waitress? Hello?
K-Hits 97, Southern California
Brought to you
forecast
by
is
the California Milk Advisory Board, which reminds you to order a large glass of milk. Be nice to the waitress.
Boy, I'll tell you, we have our hills and valleys. It's real warm is what it is. There's no denying the warmness of it all, and it does affect the brain, for sure. Partly cloudy overnight tonight with a low of about 70. There'll be some clouds and a chance for a brief thunder shower tomorrow afternoon. I felt a brief shower out in my house in Glendale a couple hours ago, but right now it's just kind of a muggy day is really what it is. Highs for the next couple of days about 90. Current ratings around the Southland, 96 in the valley. Orange County, it's 84. And guess what? It's 97 at K-Hits Los Angeles. KHTZ. Hi, this is Bobby Rich with more music for people like you at K-Hits 97 FM. KHTZ, K-Hits 97. Bobby Rich here at 3:36, longer than the interval between no-hitters. KHTZ, baby, you know we count on you, Johnny Rivers. Baby, I need your lovin' on K-Hits 97 with Bobby Rich. Light your fire on K-Hits 97. KHTZ. K-Hits 97. That's just what we need, a little more fire. Yeah, by all means, let's stoke up the inferno here. I mean, it's only 98 degrees downtown, 354. Really, dear, just researching for 8 years with thy neighbor's wife. Sure. For home delivery of the Valley News, call 997-4241 and see what you've been missing.
KHTZ, Los Angeles. K-Hits 97.
Exactly, 4:01. Good afternoon. I'm Bobby Rich with The Runt. KHTZ, honey. You are my shining star. Manhattan's on K-Hits 97. It's 4:09, and she's real fine. At 4:09, Bobby Rich is my name. If you're a soccer fan tonight in the Pasadena Rose Bowl and super goalie Alfredo Anaheim, your Aztecs continue their assault on the Super Bowl. Now placing a call for $4,504 in K-Hits cash. If I call you and you know the current amount, it's going to be all yours. This hour's K-Hits cash total, $4,504. Oh, somebody's playing with the telephone again. Must be a mistake. Now, kids, we've told you. When Mom and I leave the house, you're not to play with the telephone. K-Hits 97. Let's get a little working in here. KHTZ, K-Hits Los Angeles. I wish I could be a spinner so I could go a lot. I like that. A lot. I like that. I even sound like Conley. Here's something to think about from Fleetwood Mac on K-Hits. K-Hits 97 FM. Daniel West, Mr. Rocco Breath with almost a full hour of hit music coming up next. I want to thank Jim Conley for letting me be a star for a couple hours today. Bobby Rich. Okay, fine? Okay, bye.
KHTZ, Los Angeles, with $4,511 in K-Hits cash. It's exactly 12:01, and I'm Daniel West at K-Hits 97.
And so you ask me, does anybody really know what time it is? At exactly 9 o'clock, I'm calling at the home of K-Hits Cash.
Exactly 1:02. Well, hello, Southern California. I'm Dave Montoya with music for people just like you, and a photograph along with my camera and Ringo. KTNQ Los Angeles, and that was completely wrong. You can tell I've been sipping the coffee too much. This is KHTZ Los Angeles. It's 12 o'clock midnight, just about. Nancy Plumb on LA's only all-hits radio station, K-Hits 97. I'm Nancy Plumb, and this is K-Hits 97. I believe it was a gentleman in New York named Ed who gave us those call letters. They're all right. I like the way my voice sounds in stereo. I hope you like it too. And I know you're definitely going to dig the music blaring out at you from those 2 speakers. All right. Oh, you have 4 speakers? How outrageous. Turn it out for Elton John. K-Hits 97. 10. No, not anymore. It's K-Hits 97. One of these days, I'm going to catch on and get it straight. Hard to believe. I'm in stereo now. I'm Nancy Plumb on K-Hits 97. Playing the hits in stereo. Wow. Electric Light Orchestra. A group definitely meant to be listened to in stereo. 10. No, wrong again, Nancy. You get a slap on the hand for that one. This is K-Hits 97 stereo. Hits 97. Hey, aren't you happy I didn't say something like www?
K-Hits 97 FM stereo. It's 8:22. Lou Richards here, and oh, here comes Andy Gold, the lonely boy. My, what a nice pair of Pampers you have on there, Andy. No wonder you're a lonely boy.
He was born
K-Hits 97. My name is Lou Richards. I'm a disc jockey. I carry a microphone, and playing the hits is my life, if you know what I mean. This is K-Hits 97 FM. Ooh, turned you on, huh, Bonnie? Bonnie Pointer. Heaven must have sent you. This is KHTZ, Los Angeles. It's 9 o'clock. My name is Lou Richards on LA's only all-hits radio station, K-Hits 97, playing the best music in Southern California. Isn't that right?
KHTZ, Los Angeles.
Well, here we go. Exact time is 10:03. I'm Danny Moffat here at K-Hits 97. Exact time, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hi, I'm Gene Knight with you and Dr. Hook at K-Hits 97 FM. exact time, 3:01. I'm Gene Knight with Boss Skaggs at K-Hits 97 FM.
It's 97 FM continues Unicorn Appreciation Month as we take you to another special preview screening, once again in the main theater of MGM Studios. This time, it's a futuristic thriller. Saturn III. Future shock of man against machine. Saturn III, rated R. It's part of Unicorn Appreciation Month. From K-Hits, Los Angeles.
Spanky! KHTZ, Los Angeles. K-Hits 97.